Hey everybody, Matthew Cole with West Shore Mortgage in Sacramento. Today we're going to talk about the difference between a second mortgage and an equity line and which one's best for you. So there's lots of situations that'll come into a mortgage where you may not have the full amount of money for a full down payment for jumbo financing, or it might just be a better option to where you may want to take out a second mortgage to avoid the jumbo loan restrictions. So what I do is I have a lot of clients that will look to put 10% down for jumbo financing, and what we are able to do a lot of the times is break that loan up to where your first mortgage is a conventional loan at the regular conventional loan limits, which are now $675,000 up to the max here in the Sacramento area. And then what we'll do is we'll add a second. That second we could go up to $500,000 on. So you could ideally buy a mortgage well over $1 million with the first and second and still avoid jumbo financing in the Sacramento area. Where that benefits a lot of people is, let's just say, for example, you have a house to sell or you will be selling a house down the road, yet you don't want to be contingent on your offer. So what we'll do is we'll break it up into two loans, one first mortgage and one second mortgage, so that when you do sell your home, you can use the equity from the proceeds to pay off that second mortgage, so that now you just got one low first mortgage and you do not have to refinance or do anything with your loan in a rate increase environment. There is no second mortgages that are like a fixed in second that we see anymore. All of these second mortgages are more like home equity line of credits or a HELOC you'll see. When you're looking for a second mortgage, you're gonna be looking into a HELOC. And what that's gonna be is it's gonna be a loan amortized over 30 years. For about 10 or 15 years, that loan is gonna be re-amortized into a 20-year fixed principal and interest payment. Some of them also have balloon payments, so be careful on which ones you get there. I also get asked a lot in regards to standalone second or standalone equity line for cash out, not just for purchases. So you're gonna have a tough time running into anybody who's gonna offer a standalone second or a standalone equity line of credit. Typically, they're gonna wanna be partnered up with a first mortgage or a combo of the two. I typically get people just to do a complete full refinance of the first, because they're gonna have a hard time finding a second mortgage or an equity line second that's gonna actually make sense. You get kind of stuck in a position where they're gonna beat you up on value and things like that. So sometimes it's not really worth it. So if you have any questions because you're getting stuck in buying a house and you're not qualifying for jumbo, or if you're just trying to do a cash out and you're doing an equity line and you're not sure which way to go, hit me up, give me a call, but I'd love to sit down with you and see how we can make your loan work.